Hey everybody, Vineyard 1 here in Champagne District. We're between Reims and Epernay, and this is a stunning Pinot Noir vineyard. Check out the Pinot Noir. Their harvest just started yesterday, and so look at all the Pinot Noir here. Look how big those guys are. It's amazing how large these Pinot bunches are. These are younger vines, these are older vines. And if you look, the head of the vine, look how close it is to the ground compared to what we have in Napa Valley. Look at right there, right? It's so close to the ground. And these are really short. These are about, I don't know, 3 feet tall. These are a little bit taller, but we're heading off to our first champagne house and gonna taste some champagne. So this is super exciting because this is my first trip to France and my first trip to Champagne. And again, it's as beautiful as Napa Valley and any other wine region in the US and the world. It's, you know, you look at these vineyards and it's mind-blowing that you're gonna make some wine out of these amazing grapes. And look at, as far as the eye can see, way over there, all along over there. Come around here, sorry for the sun. Some harvesting over there happening all along here. And the soil, this is, look how it's calcium. Or I'm sorry, not calcium, it's chalk. It's all chalk. And so certain parts of this topography has chalk, more chalk than others, but part of the beautiful microclimate and also the soil is the chalk content here in France, mixtured with clay as well. So we're having a, exciting day today, and I'm taking you along. See you on the next one.